Hello everyone, I'm Yash Patel and welcome to my channel Django World. So from today we are starting TODO project, and in this project I'll be first doing some beginner level task, which means I'll be teaching some beginner level tasks, then we'll go to advanced level, and then from the two other playlists which I have scheduled already is signals and channels for the Django. So in those two project in those two playlists I'll be using this same project. Okay, so make sure you follow me on this project very precisely, and make sure you implement everything which I'm implementing in this project. All right, so here I'll just list down the features which we'll be using in this project. So the first feature is going to be user authentication authorization, which means register user, login, logout, etc. Then we will have task management, advanced task features like subtask, tags and categories, etc. Then we will be having notification and reminders. Then user interface enhancements, which means we will be using AJAX to make our website smooth. All right, and then we'll be having analysis reports like number of tasks completed, pending. All right, and then we will also do some security enhancements like protect our website from SQL injections and also access attack. All right, and then lastly we'll be deploying the website. Okay, so hope you guys will love this playlist and this project, and I hope you will be learning some useful things from this project. All right, so yeah, I will see you in next one where we will be doing the setup for the project. Thank you.